Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to pause search history on YouTube. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open the app, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that click on settings on the top right of the screen, and after that go to manage all history. And after that, in the list on the top, choose controls. And as you can see, there is an option called include your searches on YouTube. You have just to click on it next to it. And as you can see, it will tell you that you will pause YouTube search history. Click pause. And like that, your search history on YouTube will not be saved, so until you turn that option on again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.